Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate affiliate tracking with Impact step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Impact account. Navigate to the dashboard. Locate the tracking section from the menu on the left. Click on Tracking Settings to access the options for automation. Select Create New Tracking. Choose your desired type of tracking, such as links or campaigns. Input the required details for your tracking setup. Make sure to specify the conversion types you want to automate. Next, set your tracking parameters. Include data such as source, medium, and campaign name. Configure the time frame for the tracking automation to be active. Now, identify your affiliates who will be part of this tracking. Assign them to the tracking you just created by selecting their names. Review all the settings for accuracy to avoid any issues later. Once confirmed, click on Save to store your tracking configuration. Next, locate the Automate option on the tracking page. Enable automation by toggling the switch to on. Set your preferred notification settings for real-time updates. For additional monitoring, integrate Google Analytics if necessary by following the prompts. Finally, run a test transaction to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Monitor the results in the Reports section to track performance over time. Adjust any settings if needed based on your findings. With this setup, your affiliate tracking will now operate automatically. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.